Hey, my name is Kathy Roberts, and I'm the Tidy Tutor. I'm going to talk to you right now like we're friends. If you're here, it's probably because you're looking for a way to get out of the mess and the clutter. I was born a slob. There are some people that are born musical, and there are some people that are born organized. There are some people that are just born messy. I'm one of them. You're probably one of them too. There's many of us out there. But because society has such a social stigma about being a mess, we hide it. We won't talk about it. And we figure things out, which means that we're pretty incredible. The things that we could do without any of the skills and we pull off, it's pretty amazing. The fact is, nobody expects anybody to learn a language or an instrument without having lessons. And being organized is the same. It's a learned skill. Now, I found out about this back in 1989 when I read a book called Sidetracked Home Executives by Pam Young and Peggy Jones. And when I read it and implemented it, my life changed. People around me saw that my life changed and asked me to help them. So I said, sure, read the book. And then they read it and come back to me and say, it's a little complicated. Can you help me? So I tell them, get all the supplies that you need and I'll come over and I'll help you. And I did that for many years. Now, fast forward many more years and I get divorced. Now, I was a stay-at-home mom for 26 years, so I had to support myself, and I didn't know what to do. I had odd jobs. I was a crossing guard, I cleaned houses, and I painted houses. And one day when I was underneath somebody's table washing the floor, I was talking to God, and I said, God, I can't do this forever. I need to know what I'm going to be when I grow up. And I got in my heart, do what you do now, only make a business out of it. And I knew what he was talking about, helping people implement Pam Young and Peggy Jones' system that through the years I have tweaked quite a bit because times changed. Originally, it was made for the stay-at-home mom, and that didn't happen after a while, and lots of things changed, and so did the system had to change with it. And I had been practicing it at that point for oh my goodness, how many years? Maybe well, at this point now it's 35 years. I don't know how long it was then, but it was a long, long time. And so I did that. I put up my first YouTube video and I just started from there. And then I learned how to teach people. I taught adult classes. I did a meetup group to see, is this something people want? And it was what people wanted. And the results it got for people was amazing. And people that felt like they were just broken, that they'd never get better, even in their 80s, in their 70s, thought they'd never be able to, even hoarders, honestly. So here's the thing, okay? This works. I speak your language. I know how to help you. You ever read any of those books? Say the 7 Habits for Highly Successful People. I read that with a born organized friend of mine, and I liked it, but she loved it, and she started doing all these things. And I'm like, wait a minute, he's leaving a bunch of stuff out. This was Stephen Covey, I think. He said, make a list of all the things you need to do, prioritize them, and do first things first. And I'm like, wait, you left out a big chunk of things. Like, how do you know what's the priority? Isn't everything a priority? We just see the whole picture. We just think different. We're not bad. We're not wrong. We're just different. Now, a lot of times we're labeled ADHD, and I resisted this forever. I started really looking into it. I still don't agree that there's anything wrong with us or that we have a disorder. I've changed ADHD to be attention, diverse, heart driven. That's what we are. We're driven by happy. We're driven by emotion. So it's not ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, because there's no deficit in us and there's no disorder in us. We're just different. So it's attention, diverse, happy driven, or attention, diverse, heart driven. Once you figure out how you tick, everything changes. Now you know, here's what I have to do, here's how I have to do it, and then we can do it. So there's just some little things missing. There's nothing wrong with us. I think the things that's missing in us, the stuff that takes the place, the creativity, the ability for us to stop and pivot, the ability for some plans to change and us to be able to just turn on a dime and make it work. That's a skill. Unfortunately, a lot of times because we're so creative and we are so driven by emotion, it turns on us because we don't know how to channel that. We don't have the tools in place to make it work. I've got those tools and I have the proof that this works. This can work for you. Nobody's better than you. You could do this. I could help you. And there's a 7-day free trial. So there you go. I'll see you on the inside.